Let's start up here. We got the Whoa Nelly 49 shots. We got this in today. Honestly, it's heavy. 25 shot Snowman. This is just straight salutes. This has like a crackling mine with it. We got the 101 Zombie Bride. 120 shot. Over here we got Sweet Revenge. 101. I think this is also 100 shots, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. 100 shots. I got 3 of these cakes. This one actually didn't. The fuse blew off on me this year during my show, so it never went off. Still got the reverse fuse. I might have to fire it in reverse. I got 3 of those. Down here for the loud noisemakers, we got Blunt Force and the Boxcar Billies. We got Monster Strobes next. This is the Battle Colossus. 49 shot. This bitch is heavy though. The artwork is crazy. Down here we got the Beast 36 shot. Big boy, big bore. I think it's like 2.75. And then over here we got the Game Over, I mean. Another 36 shot. Oh, what else did we get in today? Oh, we got some Pro Cakes in. Straight Whistling to Thunder, pretty much. Red Coconut, Tail to Silver Plum, and Red Delilah. And then we got a colored Daytime Smoke for the kids.